WhatsApp is on a roll as the Meta-owned messaging platform has yet again announced a brand new feature called WhatsApp Channels. Now, the announcement was made by an official blog post, and going by what it is, if you are a content creator or say you're a business owner, then this feature is going to be very useful for you. But before I tell you everything in detail about WhatsApp Channels, I've already made a video on the 7 best WhatsApp features released in 2023 that you need to know. So if you haven't yet, definitely check that video out. I'll be linking it in the card above. For now, before I roll with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. Hello everyone, I'm Ani of Fiiber, and now let's get started. So if you may ask, what is this new feature all about, WhatsApp Channels? What is this exactly? Well, it's a one-way broadcast tool for admins, and where you're going to find this feature? Well, there's going to be a new updates tab that will be replacing the status tab. So in this updates tab, you'll get both the status as well as WhatsApp Channels. So once the feature goes live and say you're a business owner or a content creator, you will now be able to create your own broadcast channel on WhatsApp, and interested folks will be able to follow you there. So once you've created your broadcast channel, then you'll be able to create posts on it. You'll be able to share pictures, photos, videos, create polls, and your followers will be able to interact with your posts. And since I already told you that this is a one-way tool for admins, only you and only you will be able to create posts on the channel. So basically, if you use Instagram, you must have seen a new channels tab when you go to the messaging tab on the right. There is a new channels option there. So if you're a creator, you must have created your own channel, or if you've been following a channel there, then expect this WhatsApp Channels feature to work around the same lines as how the Instagram channels work. So apart from this, once the feature goes live, WhatsApp is going to be setting up a directory so that users will be able to search for your channel. And even if you as a user are not able to search for a channel, then you can always, look for it via chats, emails, or content posted online. So now that we have established that what WhatsApp Channel is all about and what its use case scenarios will be, the main question is, how safe is it going to be when it comes to the user's privacy? Of course, like people will be concerned that their numbers, their private information will be shared with strangers who are subscribed to the same channel. So on this situation, the company has said in the blog post, and I quote, "This starts by protecting the personal information of both admins and followers. As a channel admin, your phone number and profile photo won't be shown to followers. Likewise, following a channel won't reveal your phone number to the admin or other followers. Who you decide to follow is your choice and it is private." The company also added that admins will be able to decide who follows their channel and who does not. They will also have control over whether they want their channel to be discoverable in the directory or not. But do note that the goal of creating this new feature, WhatsApp Channels, is to get a wider audience, is to be able to reach to a wider audience. So by default, there is going to be no end-to-end encryption. So when it comes to the availability on rollout, as of right now, the feature has only been announced, and the initial availability will be for the users in Colombia and Singapore, followed by, like, in the coming months, other countries will be getting the WhatsApp Channels feature. But yes, there you have it. This is everything that you need to know about the latest WhatsApp Channels feature. Now you tell me, as a business owner or as a content creator, will this feature be useful to you or not? Let me know in the comments. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.